Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove parental control on Epic Games using your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Epic Game Launcher on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Account. In the left hand menu, scroll down and click on Parental Control. Here you will see the parental control settings that are currently active. Now enter the PIN. After that, click on Continue. Now click Disable Parental Control. Epic Games will ask you to enter the parental control that was set when the control were first enabled. Enter the PIN and confirm that you want to disable parental control. Once confirmed, the restrictions will be removed and you will have full access to your Epic Games account. If you forgot your parental controls PIN, you can click Forget PIN. Epic Games will guide you through a process to reset it using your account email. And that's it. Just go log in to your Epic Game account, go to the account parental control, enter your PIN and disable the control. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.